Corn and soybeans continued the upward momentum on Friday, and livestock followed suit. Ag Days' Michelle Rook has more as we start another week of trading in markets now.
Well, livestock and corn closed to the plus side on Friday with a pullback yet in the soybean and wheat market. And Oliver Slope is joining us with analysis. Oliver, quite a roller coaster last week. Let's just talk about when you think the markets are going to start to get more numb to some of this tariff talk.
Yeah, a roller coaster, absolutely. We've seen the trading ranges expand really across all asset classes, not just the grain markets, but we saw livestock and obviously the outside markets as well. I think we'll start to chew through this tariff talk and the market become a little bit more numb to it. There are some concerns of a potential government shutdown looming, but I think once we get that behind us, we'll be able to focus in on the fundamental landscape and start talking about that huge report at the end of the month, the prospective plantings report. And then from there, obviously, weather takes center stage. So historically, we see the volatility in the grain market start to rise into the spring and summer months. It seems like we've just got a jump start on that here with the tariff talk as of late. But again, I think here in the next week or so, that'll kind of move to the back seat.
This feels a lot like when the Russia-Ukraine war broke out in 2022, but it's really, you've been watching what, money and technicals, money flow and technicals?
Yeah, I mean, the last couple of weeks has been very much a trader's paradise, meaning that a lot of shorter term opportunities on both sides of the market. And the pits were alive and vibrant. It was about taking risk and giving risk in very short time increments, which is about the opposite of a hedger's paradise, right? The hedgers want to stay focused on really what's driving the markets and more longer term position trades. And it ends up being a little bit of a headache for producers, especially with these wide swings that we're seeing and just these unpredictable headlines. But again, I think ultimately we settle down, we see the volatility come in a little bit, and we can focus on more important issues here in the next couple of weeks.
How do producers keep in the market and not get chopped up?
Options are a good way to give yourself that downside protection while kind of just sleeping peacefully at night, not worrying about what headlines came out overnight or over the weekend. So I think options are a great tool.
Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.